So good afternoon, everyone. First, I will repeat previous lesson, so you can again revise now. Okay, as some of the students they are facing problem to do the to make shapes. Okay, with the help of Bezier tool and the shapes. So for that, okay. So first you need to take this text option low, then simply click karo and then type here whatever you want to type. Like A, I type A, then make the size bigger. Apply the color yellow here, and then right click over it. Sorry, no. Just simply apply the color, light color, any of the light color. Okay, not red, blue. Use a yellow color, is a light color, because after if we draw any line over it, so we can see. Okay, then right click on this shape, this alphabet, and then lock the object. Okay, then lock the object. Then now you have to use this option Bezier tool. From here, use the Bezier tool and draw a line. Like this. Use the shape tool. Make zoom with the help of mouse. Mouse का scrolling button use करना है. Use the scrolling button of the mouse to make zoom in or zoom out. You can use this ruler option also. Sorry, scroll bar option. Make it zoom. इसको adjust करो. Bring it here also. Okay, like this. Good. Now what we have to do? Now you have to again use the Bezier tool. Then make one shape here. This triangle. Okay, and so easy. Now we have to make little bit sliding this line. Okay, so just use a shape tool, right click over this, and then to curve, apply the to curve option. ये lines points को select करो and then इसको नीचे drag करो ऐसे. Easy. Then apply color here, make the bigger shape the red color. You can apply the smaller shape different color. Then you can bring it here also, both of them. Then select both of them, go to option object shaping, and then trim option. When you apply trim, so what will happen, it will cut this much area from this shape. Then you can change the color also. Now apply this yellow color by left click, and if you don't want the outline, so just click here on the right click. There's no color, so right click over that, so यहाँ से color remove हो जाएगा. Now you can unlock this sorry, right click and then unlock the object, and you can delete this one. You can bring it on the page, इसको page पे लेके आओ. You can make it smaller. Okay, either you can just Control X cut and then create here to create a new page. Now page 2 is here, paste it here. Now go to again here. Now we are going to make the shape B. क्या बनाएंगे? B. Type here the B. Apply the yellow color. Right click, lock the object. Now use again the shape, this Bezier tool. You can use the Bezier tool also, like for the AV draw na. Use this option shape tool. इसको adjust करो. So easy, huh? Again, right click here and then make two curve option. Same. इसको थोड़ा सा पीछे करो. Go back this one. We can make this shape with the help of rectangle also. Use the rectangle. Like this. But if you're going to make the rectangle on that shape, so first you right click on this rectangle, then apply convert to curve. Convert to curve. Right click on the rectangle, then convert to curve. Then now it's converted into the points. Now you can just click here. Sorry. The shape tool option. Right click here and apply that to curve option. Then click here and use these points like this. इसको भी adjust करो ऐसे करके. Just double click here and create a one point, okay? और यहाँ पे right click करके उसको two line कर लो. By double click you can create a point also, huh? Because there's a problem to make the curve from here. Okay, now it's fine. और जब ये हो गया है, so just click and then drag करके यहाँ पे लिखा हो, then right click, then press the right click. Okay, then make apply color here, then apply color on this also, different color. Okay, now you can bring both of the all the shapes here, then इसको select करो, then you can apply object, shaping and then trim. So यहाँ लिखा हो, delete this shape, this one also delete. Now right click here, unlock object, इसको delete करो, bring it here, apply the yellow color, make it smaller. Don't want a outline color, then right click here, no color here, then control S cut and then go to page number 2 and paste it here. Now our alphabet B is also ready. And C, we know it's so easy to make C. Make one shape like this. Okay, you can give dimension here also, like 150 and 180 from here. Okay, now control C, copy, and control V, paste, same shape created. Now give here again size like 120, I did minus 30, so 150 here. It's like that. Now select both of the shape, go to object option, shaping option and trim. Okay, click here the red color, click here the yellow color, so you will know the difference. So select Kia, then go to object, shaping and then trim. It's easy. Now you can apply yellow color here. Okay, now use this tool, bezier tool, like this. Okay, now again you can select this shape like that, और इसको थोड़ा सा बड़ा भी कर लो चाहो तो. Okay, now select here, then go to again object, shaping and then trim. So यहाँ पे लिखा हो, our C is also ready. Right click here, no color, control X cut, Go to page number 2 and then paste it here. D also is very easy, na? D be easy hai. You can make one rectangle like this. Right click here to curve option. Then use this option, right click and then to curve. One shape is ready. Control C copy, Control V paste. Sorry. One is ready. You can give here from the size like 120, and from here I'm giving here the 180. One shape is ready. So press Control C copy. Then again press Control V paste. So then make one smaller image. So give here the small size. Okay. So I'm going here the 90, and for its 150. Is it okay? Now you can give its red color or yellow color and give this one red color. Select both of them, object, shaping and trim. Why I'm giving color? So you will know na कि कहाँ से क्या cut हो रहा है. Like that. So easy. Then right click here, Control X cut, and then bring it on the page number 2 and paste it like that. E भी easy है. E तो बहुत ज़्यादा easy है. E make करना क्या आपको? Okay. How can you make E? You have to make one shape like this. Then एक और ऐसे यहाँ पे copy कर लो by left click. How to copy? Just click and drag here, and before leave the left button, press the right click. So ये ऐसे हो जाएगा. Now you can rotate it. Okay, you can rotate the shape. How? Just click here and apply the 90-degree angle. ये rotate हो जाएगा. Can make it smaller this. You can adjust like that. इसको adjust करो इसके ऊपर. Now again press Control C, copy, Control V paste. इसको नीचे लेके आ जाओ. जितना जूम करोगे उतना क्लियर आपको दिखाई देगा. ठीक है. Now it's fine. Today we will learn about one more option, that is the weld. Last time we used the option trim, now we will use the weld option also. एक और select करो, इसको लेके आओ यहाँ पे, इसको थोड़ा सा छोटा कर लो. Now select all the shapes, go to object option, shaping option. Now there's a weld option. Weld option to merge all the shapes like that. Now our E is also ready. You can apply color. So easy to create shapes. Okay. Some of you have some problem in the color option. Okay. For example, there's an outline. Okay. If you don't want outline, so just select this image and right click on this icon जहाँ पे cross है. Okay. Right click. When you click right click, so outline will remove. But by mistake, if you left click on it, so what will happen? The fill color will also remove, because we know this left button used for the fill color. If you click on any color with the left button, okay, आप किसी भी कलर के ऊपर लेफ्ट क्लिक करोगे तो क्या होगा? कलर फिल हो जाएगा ऐसे. ओके. तो कभी भी इस पे क्लिक करके लेफ्ट क्लिक मत करना. अगर लेफ्ट क्लिक करोगे तो क्या होगा? इसके अंदर कोई भी कलर नहीं होगा. Okay. If you don't want outline, so just click right button. If you suppose you want outline, if you want outline red color but you don't want to fill color inside, then on the red color press right button, and then for this option press left click. So inside there's no color. Like that you can apply. Okay. So I hope all of you get the difference between the left and right click over the color option.